yes, sumo.
Yes, sumo rade.
And you may yakin cancer no. Your my sister Paulina and a day after.
You may yakin cancer no. Your free. Abus chapter.
Hey, babe. Sister Paulina, we reading glasses here china who Hebrews.
Hey, madam.
Ajenkwani. Tina tet hayan herbal capsule. A drawing tina per what to semi. Me ready a mention glasses. Obrodi besi. See clear.
No crow. Tina tet hayan herbal capsules. A full supplement for good vision and not recommended for children below 12 years, asthmatic patients, pregnant and breastfeeding mothers.
A draw you baby atwa for Tina tet herbal shop. Hey, now what? Tina tet hayan.
See clear.
Tina tet brewing FDA ahwehwem agye atum se eje.
Adishimaya mamu akwa baede baje Ghana TV eso bredu sasa mhudu ya bobwano yade ebeso mokasi abo kwansu wei ye kasi abo te watch me live YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. So any day dika watch me subscribe, like and share ma afofranso entimi enhwe mi amaje bre America se boyi ebeso mo me da chehima ajoa nati afeye mora ensamono emu. Na ensembi enenam from him. Achesente ya yenya echese eye medical rapper ayenim no wogana ha aye friend medical and then the wife Fella Makafui yetete se eye se entawanta we bi esi wo montam ama wo mu ejai yete saa kakra na ya sa beti so wo munyaye wo masa aka bom yetete ne saa na kamya kwa ese Ghana fo yen hyeda enya asem ni ye yen hyeda enti asem ni ye yenya final conclusion ese omwejai anase omu enjai na no ena video bi akọ viral wo social media achese uhu medical ne wife Fella Makafui wo mudi asa achese broni besie omu having romantic time together achese enya asem ketwa na video yi eba out no afe Ghana fo enya wo monte ase pa sampa enya de se Fella Makafui ne ku medical etimi ejai na wo de yenkwohwe video no na yehwe video ni wi awankasa obenya wo honte ase se wo mu ejai se omunya yo video no ebe kirewo.
More of Fella Makafui and Medical started 2 weeks ago when the Hajia for real incident happened in London. I mean, it even happened before that. And Fella Makafui was on Twitter posting, what do men really want? She was taking some time off, and Medical was on Snapchat posting, women should be submissive and all that. Now, it was rumored that Medical cheated and then Fella Makafui decided to leave. Some rumors also said that Fella Makafui cheated and Medical decided they should go for a divorce. Now this whole thing happened 2 weeks ago and we all thought it was over, okay? Because think about it, Medical and Fella Makafui's relationship that led to marriage is as a result of the breakup that happened between Medical and Sister Debbie. So it is only fair for Fella Makafui and Medical to divorce if something similar happens in their marriage. But unfortunately, it is not. A few days ago, it was rumored that Medical and Fella Makafui, trashed out their differences and they are back together. And just this morning, I checked Shatta Wale's Snapchat handle and I could see videos of Medical and Fella Makafui making out in a mini house party, and it was just lovely. As you can see, the two are back together thanks to Shatta Wale probably, and it's all beautiful. Now it is good to see this. Maybe this time around they are not doing it for social media and for the camera, maybe they are back for real, but I'll keep you guys updated. Don't forget to subscribe, click on that notification bell, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
na chese ohwe se dia asai esi kone se dia wo mu si edido e wo video yi mu a na eno a kire opefe se enya ade a ensam a ye tete no nokre bi ewo mu se Fella Makafui ni medical eja enya ade a nokre bi ewo se ohwe video no na hwe se dia eniama si ko video no mu kisi ahodo a yekoso e wo video no mu a che se enya ade a omo eja odo eguso koso awarefo ansa entamu azamode en shedan kane sawo ya nkane ya zanji gana fo ya mon hwaza de musika mon samu eyi e uze ha na brama kwan e ma yede kase bono ebesi bia me che brama de kase boyi be somo eye me da chehima ajiwa na ti asira kase en komati na tete ba glitter glow skin care and Janelle organic food dedi ho en koma production crew wa woje brand so remenso Medase papa.
Sorry. Oh, Doc. Yes, and you bought Doc. I want to know why you did. No, that's why she. I've said, "Do I need to tell you, ma? No, say the young kukru. So your stomach was up. Said the young. Heartburn, so I said, "Become." That damn crying. Meaning, said if you be forcing, I don't know.
Test results natural say when you malaria on the moji.
Yeah, 3D.
Yes, malaria. Nani yem no so we no here. Tinatet tomac and a tinatet malake. Famano nano ho betono.
Malake, anything at a tumak. I'm on my free.
Tinatet malake eyema obi a wanya malaria fever ena tinatet tomac mixture eyema obi a wanya indigestion yenhwehwemu hu so wanya malaria ansa na wafa adroi. Not recommended for children below 12 years. Pregnant or lactating mothers should consult a doctor.